Take a minute. Every day, feel where you are going. See where you will end. Let the stars slow you down. Breathe like the night. Inside you is a compass. It points to your end. Assume it now. Live from the finish. Feel it as done. Let it be ordinary. The law of assumption is simple. What you occupy, occupies you. Assume the wish fulfilled. Wear it like skin. Live in the end. Let your pulse agree. Give it 1 minute. Close your eyes. Relax your jaw. Slow your breathing. Feel the end result. Let it be now. Hear the sound of it. Touch what is yours. Smell the room it lives in. Taste the calm of completion. See it from the end. Stay there. Identity comes first. Who would you be then? Walk as that person. Speak from the end. Decide as if already done. Return to it often. Doubt will knock. Let it pass through. Do not wrestle it. Return to the end. Rest in assumption. You are held. What you want is within you, already alive, waiting on your yes. Assumption is the key. I am the end now, and so it is. 1 minute in the morning, 1 minute at dusk, 1 minute before sleep. Collect these minutes. They add up to a life lived from the end. Stand where you intend to be. Feel the ground agree. Thank it as done. Carry the feeling. Return when you drift. You are the end, now.